Did you know that 44% of salespeople give up after one rejection? Yet, the majority of sales are made after the 5th follow-up. Let's consider John, a seasoned sales professional. He didn't secure a major deal on his first, second, or even third attempt. But he didn't let that deter him. He understood that persistence is a key player in the game of sales. After numerous follow-ups, his determination finally paid off. Persistence pays off in sales. Remember, the majority of sales happen after the 5th follow-up. People buy emotions, not things. It's the emotion that drives a father to buy that safe, reliable car, or a young woman to choose the perfume that makes her feel confident and beautiful. The key is understanding these emotional triggers. To sell effectively, tap into your customers' emotions. People don't buy products, they buy solutions. Consider the smartphone. Once merely a device for calls, now a lifeline to the world. Why? It solved a problem, the need for constant connectivity. To sell anything to anyone, offer a solution to their problems. Stories sell, facts tell. Picture this, a small local coffee shop struggling to compete against big chains. They started sharing their unique journey, from sourcing their beans from a family farm to the love and care poured into each cup. Customers were captivated and sales soared. Storytelling created a connection, a brand loyalty that facts alone could not achieve. It's the human element that resonates, that makes your product more than just an item. To sell anything, weave a compelling story around your product. Now that you've learned these secrets, it's time to put them into practice. Implement emotional appeal, solve real problems, and master the art of storytelling in your sales approach. Don't just listen, act. Start today. Apply these techniques in your next sales pitch, in your next meeting, in your next conversation. And when you see the results, don't keep them to yourself. Share your success, inspire others, create a ripple effect of effective selling. Apply these sales secrets, share your results, and watch your sales skyrocket. Now, as we wrap up this valuable content, we want to ensure you stay ahead in the business game. Please subscribe to Top Tips for Entrepreneur to receive regular doses of wisdom, strategies, and success stories. Your journey to business excellence starts with a simple click. Please subscribe now.
I hope this video has inspired you to start your own small business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top tips for entrepreneurs. We'll be sharing more videos on how to start and grow your own business, achieve financial freedom, and live your best life. Thanks for watching.